Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you real, unfiltered beauty insights that help you make smarter choices for your beauty routine. Today, we're taking a closer look at the theBalm Clean and Green theBalm and the Beautiful Eyeshadow Palette. Whether you're an eyeshadow lover or someone just starting to explore makeup, this palette could be your next go-to. Let's see if it really delivers on the clean beauty promise. So, what is this product all about? The theBalm Clean and Green theBalm and the Beautiful Eyeshadow Palette is a travel-friendly eyeshadow palette with a unique spin on clean beauty. Packed with eco-conscious features, it combines vibrant, versatile shades with clean, skin-friendly ingredients. It's compact and recyclable, so it's also a choice for those who are mindful of their environmental impact. But does it really live up to the clean beauty hype? Let's find out. This palette offers a mix of matte, shimmer, and metallic shades, all designed to cater to various skin tones. The formula boasts clean ingredients, which means no harmful chemicals or harsh additives, perfect for those who want beauty without the nasties. The pigments are vibrant, and the texture is buttery, making the application smooth. It's also a compact size, making it ideal for tossing into your bag and taking on the go. Now, how did it perform in real life? I've been using this palette for the past couple of weeks, and here's what stood out. First, the pigmentation. Impressive. A little goes a long way, and the shadows blend seamlessly. Whether you're creating a soft, everyday look or going for something more dramatic, it's easy to build intensity. The shimmer shades, in particular, catch the light beautifully without being too over the top. One thing I did notice is that the matte shades, while pigmented, required a bit more layering to achieve the depth I prefer. They're buildable, but if you're looking for an instant rich finish, it might take a couple of passes. That being said, I appreciate that this palette isn't overly powdery, which is a common issue with some matte formulas. The packaging deserves a mention. It's compact, sturdy, and fully recyclable, which aligns perfectly with the brand's clean beauty ethos. The compact size is also perfect for travel, fitting easily into any makeup bag without taking up too much space. As for the price point, considering it's a clean beauty brand with eco-conscious packaging, I think it's a fair deal. You're paying a little more for the clean ingredients and sustainability, but you're also getting a high-quality product that works well for daily use or special occasions. If you're someone who values clean formulations, this might feel like a worthwhile investment. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If the price tag is a concern, there are other eyeshadow palettes on the market that offer a similar range of colors. However, if you're committed to clean beauty and want to avoid the usual chemical-laden formulas, this palette could be your go-to. Other options may be slightly cheaper, but often sacrifice the ingredient quality or sustainability features. In terms of build quality, this palette is solid. The packaging is sturdy, the mirrors are functional, and it's compact without feeling flimsy. I'd say the palette will definitely hold up with regular use. As for longevity, I found that the shadows last well through the day, especially if you use an eye primer. I didn't notice any creasing or fading by the end of the day, which is always a win. I also appreciate that this product is cruelty-free and vegan, aligning with the growing demand for ethical beauty products. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a palette with clean ingredients, eco-friendly packaging, and solid performance, the theBalm Clean and Green theBalm and the Beautiful Eyeshadow Palette could be a great addition to your collection. While it's a little on the pricier side, the clean beauty and high-quality ingredients make it worth considering, especially if you're making an effort to reduce your environmental impact without compromising on performance. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Don't forget to check the description for a link to purchase. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below to share your thoughts.